Hi everyone. So today is actually Auntie Afusa's birthday. So I'm about to surprise her now. So I'm going to her house and I hope she loves my surprise. I know Afusa is stubborn. Yes, somebody says Afusa is stubborn. Yes, actually she's stubborn. But you know what? I love her so much. So I'm going to her house now and I'm about to surprise her. I hope she loves my surprise. I hope she loves it. She's alive. The girl is sleeping, no? Oh, I think she is tired. Oh, she will sleeping on her birthday. So I'll just put it here and go. And I hope she loves it. You don't need to wake up the birthday girl. So guys, that's why guys. Tanu, who is that? Afusa store from the sell. Oh, no, say they tell you more prank mi lọ́jọ́ birthday mi. Àbí they tell you okay bóyá ẹ mọ̀ pé ìwà mi ò dáa sóhun. Ìjẹ́ ìlú òní ni mo jẹ súyà rẹ̀ tí ń lé mi kiri gbogbo street. Kò lè júwe bí oníke lọ. As you said, or as not sick. As you said, or as let me say. You say cannot born me on your birthday. It's not possible. Wetin dey there? Wọ́n tún wọn náà kò lè ju lẹ́tà lọ. Lè sẹ́yìn, wọ́n tún wá sí ilé èwo ni. This is crazy. On birthday day, wọ́n ti mọ gba pépà lẹ́tà èwo ni.
Happiest birthday to you, my darling friend, Afusa. I wish you all the best in life. May everything you lay your hands upon continue to bring great fortune to you. May your days be long, our own Auntie Afusa, and I hope you love your gifts. Love from Rachel. Happy birthday.
My friend. No.
Hey, it's your birthday.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday.
You like what you see? You like what you see?